Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So today we're going to install project 404 in our POCO F1. Right now, as you can see, I am on Kang OS. So if you people are interested in knowing how this ROM is, the link is in the description. This is although not that stable of a ROM, so not recommending to install it. But still, if you're curious enough, you can check the link in the description and know the install procedure and the new features in this ROM, right? So as you can see, I am on the project 404 this landing page, and I have already downloaded the ROM. So before installing, let me see if I have a password lock or not. No, I don't have a password lock. Otherwise, people who are having password lock on their phone, they are recommended to remove that. You go to the security settings, you click on screen lock and tap here on none, so that there is no screen lock on your phone, right? So that you should not, if there is a screen lock, you might end in a boot loop or something. So always recommending you to remove the screen lock. Okay, so after this, what we're going to do is we are going to go to the TWRP section by pressing the volume up button and power button both at the same time. Although I keep recommending this in almost all of my videos that before installing a custom ROM, the number one thing that you should do is that you should you should at least back up your data. So that's recommended because custom ROMs are always not that stable, so there might be some issues, right? So now what I will do is I will just copy the ROM file in my phone, and before that I will go to wipe. I will go to format data and I will type here as yes. You are recommended to clean flash this because this is a new ROM. You're not migrating from the same version. So if you are migrating from another ROM, it is highly recommended that you do a clean flash, because otherwise you will end up in boot loop, right? So yeah, you will end up in boot loop. So what I'll do is I'll quickly copy the ROM files and I will see you on this menu again. So I have downloaded the ROM file. I haven't copied the ROM file in my device, and the standard procedure is now we go to the install section and you will find your ROM available right here. Okay, so after that, what you will do is you will click on this and you will swipe to confirm flash, right? So this process will take around about 5 minutes for most of the ROMs, or less than 5 minutes, that is 3.5 to 5 minutes, right? So it's getting installed, and I will just fast forward the video and I will meet you on the boot screen, and if anything goes wrong, I will definitely tell you, and I'll even tell you the fix if there is any, right? So see you on the other end. So here we have successfully installed, as you can see here, the done is written here. So we have successfully installed the project 404 ROM in our POCO F1. So now I'll simply reboot the device, and after rebooting, this might take, the initial boot might take around about 1 minute. So I'll just quickly fast forward the video and I will also set up the phone and maybe meet you on the boot screen. So here is the 404 boot animation. I believe this should come up very soon, and let's see. So here is the boot logo of the project 404, and I am here already. I'll quickly set up the phone and meet you on the home screen, right? So here we are on the project 404 home screen. As you can see, I'll just remove the wire, and this, okay, we have some apps available. All of these are useful Google apps only, no bloatware in this ROM, and the accent color that looks very beautiful. This is green, and it looks, the quick setting dials looks very much similar to the Oxygen OS if you have used Oxygen OS any time in the past. So it's very much similar to that. Let's go to the about phone section and see the security patch and stuff. And if we go to the Android section, yeah, the security patch is off. Okay, there is no security patch mentioned over here. Let's see. Device name POCO and model is POCO also. I don't know, for some strange reason we cannot see the security patch here, so I'll keep that in the description, right? So other than that, if you can see in the battery sections, we do have the thermal profiles, the pixel thermal profiles here, so you can tune each of your app individually the way you want to do it. For example, if you're playing games, you can change the thermal profiles to better perform, right? We have adaptive battery and status bar indicator. We can choose what type of status bar you want to show, right? And now it comes to the next of the battery side. After this, if we go to network settings, these are the usual network settings. In this also we have Android Auto support in this, and in the display settings we have dark theme enabled. That's very nice. And this is some quick tile settings. And other than that, the SafetyNet and the DRM I will link in the description. That the score, everything I'll link in the description, all the useful stuff. So do check out the description of this video, right? So in the screen lock, we do have face unlock. So people who are interested, for face unlock and stuff, you can really install this ROM, and the initial impressions are great. You can just have a look. It looks superb smooth. Just have a look how clean the animations are, and trust me, it feels light. It doesn't feel a lot of laggy and stuff. It feels awesome on a device that is 2 years old and still performing this great. So do check this ROM out, and the download link will as always be in the description. And if you people are interested in watching more such videos, do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries related to this particular ROM, or if you want me to check some feature for you, I can do that for sure. Do let me know in the comment section, and do like the video, so that if you want a complete video on this ROM, at least like this video. And if there are 20 to 30 likes, I'll make another video to showcase all the features and customizations that you can do in this ROM, right? And many people ask about encryption. I'll go to security, and here you can see the encryption and credential details. The device comes pre-encrypted out of the box. You don't need to encrypt the device. And definitely, if you want to install another build or something, you definitely need a DFE. So that's a talk for another day, right? So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Do subscribe to the channel and like the video, and share with your friends who share the common interest. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.